Welcome! Today I will show you an easy way to solve trig problem fast. We are going to convert radians to degrees. Using pi, you can quickly convert radians to degree and receive extra point for Model 2 and SAT exam. In the one side, you know pi equals 3.14. Also, pi is measure of straight angle in trigonometry. Measures of straight angle in degrees equals 180 degrees. So you can see pi equals 180 degrees as well. Now we are going to find solution for example 1. We will convert pi over 3 radians to degrees. So pi over 3. We will use information from previous slide. Instead of pi, we can write 180 degrees divided by 3. It is 60 degrees. We need to write answer in angle in degrees. So carefully an answer box during SAT exam you have to write 60. We're going to find solution for example 2. We will convert 2 pi over 3 to degrees. So it is 2 times 180 degrees divided by 3. It is 120 degrees. Our answer box 120. See, it is how simple hard math can be with this clever trick. Next example. We will convert 37 pi divided by 60 in degrees. So it is 37 times 180 degrees divided by 60. You can evaluate, it would be 111 degrees. We can write answer 111. Next example, we need to convert angle W 11 pi over 20 radians to degrees. So we will use our math trick 11 pi over 20, and we can write instead of pi 180 degrees divided by 20. We can find this value, it would be 99 degrees. So we can write answer and answer box. Thank you for watching.